In this video, I will show you how to fix if your AirPods Pros are crackling. So let's jump straight into it. So there's a few things I'm going to run with you today. Now there's 3 fixes I'm going to go through, and starting with the first fix, what you're going to want to make sure is that you're running the latest firmware on the device that you're using your AirPods on. So if you're using this on like an iPhone, what you're going to want to do is make sure you're using the latest firmware for your iPhone. As suggested by Apple, this can potentially lead to the crackling and popping sounds. So if you tried that and that did not work for you, the second fix is to go ahead and actually hard reset your AirPods Pro. So to go ahead and do this, what you need to do is open up the lid on your AirPods. And next what you want to do is go ahead and remove both your AirPods out of the case. Once that's done, just go ahead and put the AirPods back into the case. And after that, just go ahead and close the lid down and just leave it for about 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, what you want to do is go ahead and open the case back up. Then what you want to do is come to the device that you're using your AirPods on, where you are experiencing crackling and popping sounds. So for myself, this is on Android, and what you're going to want to do first is open up your Bluetooth settings. Once you're in your Bluetooth settings, go ahead and turn your Bluetooth on, and you should now see the AirPods Pro. Now next to this, you're going to see a settings like a gear icon or an I button. What you want to do is click onto this. And then what you want to do is just go ahead and basically forget the device. So this is going to look different depending on whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. But all you want to do is basically disconnect and forget the device. So I've gone ahead and disconnected, and what I'm going to do is click unpair, and it's going to ask me if I want to unpair the AirPods Pro. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. Once that's done on the same screen, what you now want to do is open up the lid on your AirPods Pro, and if you turn the AirPods Pro onto the back, and you want to make sure you've got the lid open, and then what you want to do is go ahead and hold this button here, and basically what this is going to do is put this back into pairing mode. So as you can see, we're now in pairing mode, as if we turn it back to the front, we've got a solid white light. Now after you've done this, just go ahead and try and reconnect to your AirPods Pro. And once you've gone ahead and paired back to your device, just go ahead and listen to your AirPods Pro and see if that does resolve this problem. So if that didn't work for you, there's a chance that one of the AirPods is actually broken. So there's probably some damage to either one or both of the AirPods Pro. So at this point, you want to check to see if they're in warranty. If they are in warranty, then what you're going to want to do is get into contact with Apple, who will look into replacing those. Unfortunately, if they are out of warranty, then you will need to look into purchasing a new set of AirPods for yourself. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.